Hello, today we are going to learn how to use Pythagoras theorem in problem solving. Before we begin with problems, I'd like to explain something very important. Usually in textbooks or anywhere you see Pythagoras theorems presented as a to the power of 2. I'm going to write it down here. A to the power of 2 equals b to the power of 2 plus c to the power of 2. Now, I'm sure many of you know that A, it is the size of hypotenuse, B is one side and C the other side. But sometimes in problem solving, the sides are not going to labeled as hypotenuse A and the other sides B and C. So be careful with this form of representing of Pythagoras theorem. So what I'd suggest you, instead of remembering a to the power of 2 equals b to the power of 2 plus c to the power of 2, remember hypotenuse to the power of 2. So this is what I would suggest. Hypotenuse to the power of 2 equals side 1 to the power of 2 plus side 2 to the power of 2. I'd so strongly advise you to remember this one. This is more accurate than just this one. So here, for example, I have written three different triangles with sides labeled in different ways. So here, hypotenuse is A and sides are B and C, but here the hypotenuse is being labeled as B and here as a C. So this formula here doesn't make sense for this one and this one. It does make sense for this one, okay? But for this one, for triangle number 2, let's label it as triangle number 2 and triangle number 3, and this one is triangle number 1. So for triangle number 2, we are going to have, so if you substitute in this one, we have b to the power of 2 equals a to the power of 2 plus c to the power of 2. And for the third triangle, we are going to have c to the power of 2 equals b to the power of 2 plus a to the power of 2. All right? So just remember, hypotenuse to the power of 2 is the sum of the other two sides to the power of 2. Now let's have a look at this exercise. It says find the length A. So we need to begin with the formula. Whenever you have the Pythagoras theorem, that you have to use it, begin with the formula. So we know hypotenuse to the power of 2 equals side 1 to the power of 2 plus side 2 to the power of 2. So hypotenuse is 12. So 12 to the power of 2 equals side 1. So either of them could work. So a to the power of 2 plus x to the power of 2. All right. And then take away a to the power of 2 from both sides, take away a to the power of 2. Then you're going to have 12 to the power of 2, take away 8 to the power of 2 equals x to the power of 2. So this one would be 144, take away 64 equals x to the power of 2. And the answer to this one, it is going to be 80, right? So 80 equals x to the power of 2. Now, to find the value of x, you square both sides. So x is going to be square root of 80. Now you can divide 80 into 4, 16, actually 16 times 5, okay? 16 times 5, and this is going to be 4 square root of 5 equals x. So it is going to be somewhere between 4.2 something. And now in context, we have to only take the positive value of square root of 16. But if this is just a equation, just the problem solving, then x would have two values, plus and minus. But in this case, it's just the plus, because otherwise it won't make sense, because the length of a side, the length cannot be negative. All right, so this is how much x is. Now here is another question. Find the length A. So this is the thing we need to find out. Now, okay, there is a right angle triangle here. I have one side, I have the hypotenuse, so why don't we Substitute. Again, we begin with the formula hypotenuse to the power of 2 equal side 1 to the power of 2 plus side 2 to the power of 2. So 20 to the power of 2 equals side 1 is 5 to the power of 2 plus. Now, all of this one we need, so let's label this as A, B, C. So BC plus BC to the power of 2. And so 20 to the power of 2 is 400. 400 take away 25 equals BC to the power of 2. And so this one is going to be 375 equal BC to the power of 2. To find BC, square root both of them and just take the positive answer of square root of 375, okay? But listen, that would be the answer to the whole BC. How can you find the A? The A here, it is all BC, take away the B. If you label this bit here with a D, take away BD. How can you find BD? Can you see there's another smaller right angle triangle here. We know the hypotenuse, which is 10. We know the other side, which is 5. So find BD. You know BC. So this way you can find part A, how long A is as a part of the whole side BC. So it's just a little bit more of working out. You can do this by yourself. Thank you very much for watching my steps. Bye-bye.